If you're tired of traditional mops that make cleaning your floors a messy, exhausting chore, this Tikaa Atok spin mop and bucket might just be the solution you've been waiting for. This innovative mop set promises to make cleaning more efficient, hygienic, and hassle-free. Featuring a 360-degree rotating mop head, a self-separating dirty and clean water system, and a retractable handle, this mop is designed to tackle all your cleaning needs while ensuring your floors stay sparkling clean. Let's dive into why the Tikaa Atok spin mop and bucket is a must-have for your home. Why choose the Tikaa Atok spin mop and bucket? Cleaning your home should never feel like a burden, and the Tikaa Atok spin mop ensures that it's an enjoyable experience instead. From tile and marble floors to hardwood and laminate, this mop is designed to work across various surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. The 360-degree rotating mop head allows you to clean with ease, reaching into corners and tight spaces that are usually difficult to access. Plus, the self-separation system ensures that only clean water touches your floors, reducing the risk of spreading dirt and grime. Key features. One of the most innovative features of the Tikaa Atok spin mop is its M16 self-separation system. The bucket is designed to separate clean water from dirty water, ensuring that only fresh, clean water is used to mop your floors. This feature not only improves the cleanliness of your floors, but also promotes better hygiene by reducing cross-contamination. The separation system is efficient and easy to use. No more worrying about using dirty water to clean your floors. The 360-degree rotating mop head is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. No more bending, twisting, or stretching to clean difficult areas. The square mop head provides optimal coverage, allowing you to clean both wide-open spaces and tight corners without missing a spot. The versatility of the mop head is perfect for all-around cleaning, whether you're tackling spills or general dust and grime. The adjustable handle on the Tikaa Atok spin mop is removable and extendable, making it suitable for people of all heights and cleaning needs. Whether you're mopping floors, reaching higher surfaces, or cleaning below furniture, the handle can be adjusted to the perfect length. The stainless steel material ensures the handle is durable and long-lasting, withstanding frequent use and rough handling. This mop is designed for both wet and dry use, allowing you to tackle a variety of messes. The microfiber mop head easily absorbs and lifts dirt, dust, pet hair, and other debris from your floors. The mop is safe for use on wood, hardwood, marble, tile, and more, making it a great choice for all types of flooring. The versatility ensures that no surface goes uncleaned. The bucket features scraping teeth that help easily remove hair and debris from the mop head. This means no more touching or cleaning dirty mop heads with your hands. There are also water-filling ports and water outlets on the bucket, allowing you to easily add water, pour detergent, and drain dirty water, all without the mess. The mop is lightweight, making it easy to carry, maneuver, and store. At just the right weight, it doesn't feel cumbersome or difficult to handle, even during extended cleaning sessions. The mop bucket is also compact and easy to store, saving space in your utility closet or cleaning supplies area. How the Tikaa Atok spin mop and bucket makes cleaning easier? The 360 degrees rotating mop head allows you to glide effortlessly across the floor, covering large areas quickly without missing any spots. Whether you're cleaning a small room or an expansive living area, this mop can handle it all. The self-separation system saves you time and energy since you don't have to worry about rinsing your mop multiple times or replacing water mid-cleaning. Why should you buy the Tikaa Atok spin mop and bucket set? If you're looking for a hygienic, efficient, and easy-to-use cleaning solution for your floors, the Tikaa Atok spin mop and bucket is the answer. Here's why. Self-separation of dirty and clean water. Enjoy cleaner floors and better hygiene with the innovative M16 self-separation system. 360-degree rotating mop head. Clean every corner, edge, and hard-to-reach area with ease. Adjustable stainless steel handle. Customize the length for your comfort and convenience. Wet and dry use. Versatile enough for all types of floors and messes. Scraping teeth for easy mop maintenance. Keep your mop head clean without touching dirty water. Compact and lightweight. Store and use with ease, even for long cleaning sessions. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.